sabak.
Hello children, I'm your English teacher. Today we talk about pronunciation, working on sounds, AI with letters Y, I. Play time. Look at the pictures. What the words do you know? Party, party. Piano, piano. Guitar, guitar. Trumpet, trumpet. Drums, drums. Let's talk about letter Y. Look at the pictures. We see yacht, yacht, yellow, yellow. SI in an open stressed syllable like my, in a closed syllable like cycle, in the suffix y in verbs satisfy. For example, my, fly, fly, sky, sky. SI in a closed stressed syllable like myth, in an unstressed position like ready. For example, funny, funny, happy, happy, puppy, puppy. SR before the letter I in an open stressed syllable like tire. For example, happy, happy, sunny, sunny, funny, funny, candy, candy, happily, happily, try, try, my, cry, cry, shy, shy, symbol, symbol, myth, myth, dream, dream, mystery, mystery. Yes, yes, yell, yell, yellow, yellow, yawn, yawn, yoke, yoke. The letter Y at the beginning of the word, reading like yes, yes, yummy, yummy. The letter Y at the end of the word, reading like E, happy, happy, funny, funny. Please read it right. The letter Y at the beginning of the word. Yes, yes, yummy, yummy, yacht, yacht. The letter Y at the end of the word. Happy, happy, funny, funny, lazy, lazy. The letter combination EY under stress conveys the sound EI. For example, they, gray, gray, hey, hey, obey, obey. the vowel letter Y in an open syllable conveys the sound I. For example, my, try, type. If the letter combination EA is not stressed, it transmits the sound E. For example, money, honey, journey. Please read it right. My, try, type. For example, city, office, nice, pencil. Next example, my, buy, try, shy, fly, sky, cyborg, dry, buy, I, die. Gym, gymnast, everything. Family, granny, funny, mommy, daddy, hockey, hungry, Mary, sorry, party, crazy. Pony, Mary, story, history, fairy tale, happy, ready, ugly, sunny, windy, toy, boy, play, say, way, day, may, gray. You, your, new year, yourself, yellow.
Telesabak.
Letter I. Look at the picture. Example, ink. Open syllable AI. Example, nice, fine, high, crocodile, tiger. And we're reading our I like E. Big, pig, 6. Again, for example, we reading like I. Mice, 9, 5. Like E. Pig, pink, kitten, kitten. The letter I in an open syllable conveys the sound I. For example, pilot, pilot, kind, kind, fine, fine, time, time. Please read it right. Pilot, pilot, kind, kind, fine, fine, time, time, sight, sight. And reading like E, team, team, bill, bill, a stick, stick, a pig, pig, little, little, big, big. And now we read the words 2 times. I, 5, 9, Mike, bike, kite, right. I, 5, mine, Mike, bike, kite, right. Look at the letters and sounds. Mike, bike, kite. Team, pig, big. Bill, team, a pig, a stick. Listen a story. It is Tim. It is Bill. It is big Tim. It is little Bill. It is a pig. It is a stick. It is a little pig. It is a little stick. A stick, a pig, a bat, a plate, Kate, a cake, a little pig, a big pig, a little stick, a big stick, a little pig, a little cat, a big rat, a big pig, a little table, a big table, a little cake, a big cake. Listen to the tongue twister. Yellow leather, yellow feather, yellow leather, yellow feather, yellow leather, yellow feather. Local yokel jokes, local yokel jokes, local yokel jokes. Like ships, ice chips, in ice chips, ships. Can you imagine an imaginary menagerie manager imagining managing an imaginary menagerie? And our lesson is over. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.